And in today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a streak counter to Notion. A streak counter helps you track consecutive days of a habit or task, giving you a simple, motivating way to see your momentum build over time. We'll grab a ready-made template from Notion so you can start using it right away. Start in Notion and look to the very top left of your window for the small arrow that shows or hides the sidebar. Click that drop-down arrow to make sure the sidebar is visible. If your sidebar is already open, you're good to go. This arrow simply toggles the menu that holds key options. In the sidebar, find and click Templates. This opens Notion's gallery of pre-built pages and databases, which is the fastest way to add a streak counter without building formulas yourself. You'll land in the Marketplace view where Notion curates templates from both Notion and the community. Once you're in the Marketplace, make sure you're viewing the Templates section. If you see other categories like apps or integrations, switch back to templates so your search focuses on pages you can duplicate into your workspace. Use the search bar at the top and type the word streak. Give it a second to load results. Spelling matters here. Typing streak will surface options related to habit tracking and daily check-ins. You should see an item called streak counter among the results. Click streak counter to open its details page. Here you can scan the description and screenshots to confirm it's designed to track consecutive days. This preview helps you understand how it works before you bring it into your space. When you're ready, click Add. Notion will place the template into your workspace, creating a new page you can open immediately. The import is quick, and you'll have a complete setup with properties and calculations already configured for you. After it's added, take a brief moment to look around the page so you know what's included. Many streak templates feature a database with a date property for your daily check-in and a formula that calculates your current streak automatically. You can rename the page to match your habit and move it wherever it fits in your workspace. If you prefer dark or light mode or a different icon, those cosmetic changes won't affect how the counter works. That's it. You've added a streak counter to Notion. Use it daily to record your progress and watch your streak grow over time. Thanks for following along and enjoy building momentum with your new counter.